You want to try it? Wait, Uncle Phil's on. Go.
You go up there. Yeah, I'm staying out of the way. I think how do I go back for him?
Phil is going to be cranking.
Oh my God.
Bro, you going up
Phil, don't kill yourself.
Huh?
Don't kill yourself. That's stupid.
I only can kill myself once.
Well, did you hear that, people?
There you go. How high up should I go? I go as high. I go up that next. There you go. Oh, no, not up the stairs. Just up another notch. You don't think there's a play done. Yeah. All right, everybody's gonna watch this thing when it comes around. Here we go. There you go.